All right, another day, another lock. Here we've got the 100-year Iron Rock Anniversary Edition for Avis. It's really nice looking lock that's based on their one of their original padlocks. And yeah, I haven't picked it. I think the core is green belt though, if I saw that correctly. But yeah, this is a pretty common Avis keyway. I think my 7240 has the same keyway. So at least navigating this should feel somewhat familiar. We will see how it goes, you guys. I guess I say you guys, even though my audience is primarily non-existent. But, you know what I mean. A little false set there. Now let's just chase the spool. So that first pin gave us the false set, so I'm gonna come back here and check that first. Yep. It seems like we didn't quite get that spool to stick. I think we did that time. Still in our false set. Let me see, where is it? There. Nice. Yeah, not too bad. Normal kind of stuff if you've picked something similar, I guess. Yeah, some spools in there. Let's go ahead and gut it. We'll see it for ourselves. Yeah, nothing too challenging. I'd say if you haven't picked this keyway before, that might be the most challenging. I kind of use a twisting motion. What am I getting? Screwdriver. Yeesh. this C-clip off. I haven't seen a tailpiece that's shaped like that. I think it's these keys. Yeah, so that was the bitting we had. Just a real high set after the second pin there. What am I doing? Go ahead and stick a shim in here. Oh, right, there's a little button back here to press. There. Keeps it from turning back to this little quick change window here if you're just looking to key it. But we do not need that. Seem like long key pins. Seem longer than most. Some lightly serrated driver there, and Avis likes to do spools on the rest, so we'll see if that's what they did here. That's what it kind of felt like. I know they're double-sided, but I always like to position them the way that they would be arranged internally. So even though the spool is symmetrical, I like to turn them over. I don't know. Maybe minute picking differences are maintained, you know. But that's it. Just some spools here. Get a little close up. Nothing too crazy. And that's that. Alrighty. Have a good one.